Hello, welcome back to Dewan Trade. This is Dewan. This channel is for my day trade recap. So it not only records my trading operations, but it also records my mental status in real time. Today is December 16th, 2025, 9:24 PST, 9:24 a.m. PST. Okay, so the market starting from open, we can see, okay, this is a sideways market, obviously. At the very beginning, the volatility is a little big, but it gets pushed back immediately. That means this is like a liquidity sweep, but it's not liquidity sweep. This is like a fake breakout. And later on, okay, the um generally it aligns in this range. Let me see how big is that. 100, 94979, 100. So around 100 point. Okay, big enough, fair enough. So in this way, you can set like 100 point something. We just trade in this 100 point. Now we can see that okay, this is sideways. Know that we're not gonna trade. I mean, we're not gonna sell at the peak, so not all of this is profitable for us or makes sense for us. For example, this is sideways, then we need to wait for it breakout and see. Oh, but keep in mind, yes, let's see, 15 minutes. Okay, it will go to the support area, so it's not good for the short trade. Need to wait somewhere around here and see the reaction. What about NQ? Oh, it looks like NQ is a little bit more intention to go up. See, it's not aligning something, so it's intentional to go up. And ES is going has an intention to go down. So if we want to go up, probably we need to trade NQ. If we want to go short, probably we need to trade ES because the ES goes more when it's going down. But here it's not good to go short for ES. Why? Because it's coming to the support area. So when can we go short? It need to be obviously obvious breakout and close underneath. And then we want to see a retest. Align this trend line and show a downward engulfing candle. That moment we can go short. But here, if we go short, then probably chances are that we go short at the bottom. So we can only wait. We can only wait for the upward engulfing candle as a confirmation signal to go long. But as I say, if we go long, bigger option is to trade NQ. And it looks like this is like triangle. Triangle. Let's draw. Okay, select the chart, draw the trend line. So, wait, trend line. Hmm. So this is the peak due to the volatility, due to the market open momentum. And it's gonna be something. So wait until it break out somewhere here. While it's sideways around here today, see it gets rejected at this resistance, at this support layer. But let's see 5 minutes. Oh, so it's sideway in this setup here. So it's gonna be sideway. And the aggregate is shortly allow 11. Probably it will, yeah, it will aggregate. Probably it will get us a result like, hey, if you're gonna go up and down after this sideway area, after 11, and we'll see the next trend. Some trend, I'm expecting something like this, like from 120 to like oh 900, like 200 point. We'll see. Oops. So what about ES actually? Oh ES, need to draw a trend line to remind myself. Okay, this is the support area. Keep in mind this is the area. How to draw an area shapes. So not so much. It's like something like this. This is the area. And what about the trend line? Trend line itself is an area. Keep this in mind. If you go long, then probably a realistic reward is like the trend line. But the stop loss expectation is like at here. So to go long or short here is like risk one-on-one. Risk reward ratio is around one-on-one, not worth the trading. We just wait. Yeah, wait here. And do not check, okay, ENA 9 is above ENA 21, so it's uptrend. No, this is obviously sideways market. So you can see it doesn't make any sense to check the relative location of the fast line, the fast ENA and the slow ENA. Okay, we'll see. Next time when it reaches the boundary, maybe I can bet a little bit or see an overview signal for the it assuming that the trend line is still effective. But let me see. Here is like 0.8. Here is like 94. Okay, 100 points still worth trading. See if you get here or here. Maybe it's like parallel. It's not like triangle like this. It's like parallel as we can see. It's parallel. So it's not reach the trend line. So you just wait. See the reaction. Today is a sideway market. Then we use a sideway market strategy. Four. Okay. Four. We use sideway market strategy. Hmm. Now fishing time. We just we just need to wait for the setup for at least the price action arrive at the critical price level. For example, a little bit somewhere along this trend line, and we'll see we'll try to capture the signal the trend line is still effective. But if it's in the middle, no. Essentially, go long or short is like one-on-one with reward ratio, not worth trading. Then just let's see how it's gonna sideway. Mm. Well, if you look at this, it looks like this is a flag pattern, flag upward. So for flag pattern, it reduces the downtrend. Hey, you want to go down, but go here and flag and keep going down. That's possible. Then in that way, we would like to see it breaks out somewhere and retest back to somewhere here, which is the previous support, and then start engulfing goldward. That's the signal you want to capture. Yeah, in the middle. No trading though. I don't care if you go up or down, as long as you're in the middle. As long as you are in the middle, that means no trading though for me. Mm. So the expectation is like you're gonna flag 1, 2, 3, and then draw. So arrive it, wait for it arrive here somewhere. Oh, but what's this something? Oh, this is a previous support. Yeah, previous support. Okay. So this is another price level. So probably inside a flag pattern and go here and get rejected going downward. We'll see. It looks like this is a flag pattern going a little bit up, but this is a strong rejection. It reaches here. So I don't know. See how it reacts. See how it reacts when it arrives here. And even it arrives here and showing a upward engulfing, then we need to be cautious to take profit around here. Never wait for here. We'll wait for this support level. Wait for the price to arrive this support level. Oh. Okay, around 11, then you will reach the peak of this sideway. And you're gonna determine who's gonna win. When it's in sideway, that means seller and buyers are battling. Oh, but wait a minute, why I don't have RSI? Never mind. Let me see RSI, bar chart style, bar style, not this one. Add indicator, RSI. Okay, RSI create 13 over so create. Okay, I have some RSI here. Oh, why I cannot? Okay, move it up to somewhere here. Over so over ball. Okay. Okay, keep going down. Let me grab some water. Okay, strong momentum to the downside. Let's see how it reacts. Let's wait to like uh 980 to 86. See how it reacts. Even here is not worth trading. 16. 70 and 90. No. It's gonna aggregate. Aggregate. You're gonna go short. So this time go short is very dangerous. While it's very tempting. Okay, so strong momentum. Everybody gonna sell. So going short. It's very tempting to go short this area, but it's very easy. You go short at the bottom. So let's see the reaction. And at least around here, I'm expecting to see the behavior around here. 990. Let's see. And if it bounce back, then forget about it. It keeps sideways. Mm. Oh, it touches the trend line. Let's see if the trend line still defends. I will not go long without confirmation signal. And I appreciate if you can build a very small momentum candle and then so that it can be easily engulfed by the upward candle rather than just big one single candle consumes most of the range, then I don't have any opportunity to go in. Okay. Okay, trend line. I'll see. Trend line. It looks like it's just relaxed a little bit. Yeah, very tempting to go short. And for people who go long, one thing, this is around trend line. Two things, you're gonna retest to yen and nine. So that will probably for buyers rationality, but this is just break the trend line. So I will see further the reaction around here. So for ES is reach is entering into the support region. Some buyers are defending here. Let's see. Yeah, some buyers are defending here, and we'll see 2 more minutes how it reacts to this support for this time. So NQ is a little bit upward flag pattern, while ES is downward, like sideways triangle. So chances are that you're gonna, I don't think you're gonna go straight down this time. You're gonna retest a little bit. Go short this time, gonna be a little bit risky. Ooh. Okay. Now it reaches this level, then start to watch for confirmation. It looks like this is momentum, relax, stretch, consolidate, stretch, something. So you're gonna stretch to here probably. But I cannot set a limit order right here because I'm not sure where's the button. I need to wait for confirmation. Oh, okay. I think the buyer gonna resume. It's a little bit risky. I don't see the confirmation, but I see the momentum that pushback. I mean, strong rejection from here to here. Then relatively strong. So buyers start to step in. And probably retest somewhere. And after the completion of this candle, then probably I will set a stop loss somewhere here. Where's my entry price? 0.6. Okay, good. Oh, that's not good. Hmm. Oh, buyers are still strong. So probably I need to flatten, leave the trade. This is like catching the flying knife without the completion of upward engulfing candle. Then I enter into a trade too quickly. But if the trend line is still effective, then you should bounce back. It should behave like something like this and bounce back somewhere here. Hmm. Let's see. 4 more minutes. Go long, trade NQ. Go short, trade ES. But ES looks like it's not that easy to get support and bounce back. It should aggregate. That's my hypothesis. Okay, this is battering. Switch. Buyers gradually step in, grab some control from the market. 3 more minutes. See if you can engulf somewhere around here. This is 3 minutes, and for ES, that's 5 minutes. It looks like buyer step in. Oops. Yeah, it step in. Then I set some stop loss here, just in case it reverse. See it reverse. No, this is a retest out of here, but it triggers here. That's a reverse. At least I make a couple of bucks. Not easy to make money. If this keep going up as a bullish candle, then I'll think of take profit. A realistic point is here. Oh, just retest to here. Hmm. That's not good. So that means probably like I need to sell. Five minute get pushback. So this is the retest. Let's see 5 minute. Okay, this is the retest. So you're gonna jump out of the Oh, you never come back? You don't pick me up? Come on. So it step out of the trend line, retest back to trend line, and downward engulfing. That's a microstructure. That is a break, retest, and keep break, something. Hmm. Guess what? For doing go short, then probably I need to trade. Yes. Hmm. Oh, the selling momentum is strong. Nobody gonna push back a little bit, get us on board. Oh, I'm a little bit formal. So probably I sell at the bottom. See, this is the resistance. God, but I see a structure something like this, and buyer step in. It gets overcome. So seller is very strong, very fun to go down. So I see. Okay, this is a breakout pattern. I think this is a real breakout to downside. 15 minutes, then you can arrive here. 200 price. But if you go up, you can go here. Go down, you can go here. But is this sideway ending? Shoulder, hand, shoulder, shoulder. Two shoulders. And it keeps hitting here. So this is, if this hand, shoulder, and this is gonna be the neckline, breakout neckline. Okay, that means something. Hmm. Okay, keep going down. No. Okay. Enter this too early. I probably go short at the bottom. I just see this lower, 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 lower. And there is a trend line. So I don't know. ES has breakout to a lower low. See, I'll paste this one, 5 minute candle. So it keeps going down. It's just that for going short, I should trade ES. It has more intention to go short. Hmm. Like this candle can close underneath this level. That means seller really make a breakout. Otherwise, this support level still valley. That's what I don't want to see. I go short at the bottom. This microstructure trap me. So I'll probably move this one to here. I will add my complementary. We're gonna sideways somewhere around here. That's my hypothesis. But if it keeps going back, that means it reduces to sideway. Now it feels like parallel sideway if it gets rejected here. Hmm. Yeah, that's the bottom. So it takes quite a while. It takes quite a while to leave the drop down status. But I hope it keeps going down. Okay, yeah, something like this. Show your momentum, come on. So I should go short, but I should be more patient and don't get something like this. Always believe in retest and go short from around here. But 3 minutes really trapping. So I should fly. I should probably like set a trading stop loss in 3 minutes or find the entry in 3 minutes. But decide if I want to go into an entry in 5 minutes. Oh, what's going on? It looks like sellers are breakout close underneath here. So I can set a stop loss somewhere here. I'll wait for the completion of this candle and the almost completion of the next candle, like keep going down. Otherwise, there are still chances that it retests and keep me out. So no hurry to set a stop, to set a trading stop loss. And it's too far away from ENA9. That's another thing I'm concerned. Okay, yes, keep going down. It keeps going down. Hmm. See how much we make. This is the first time I apply some like conservative. Okay, conservative like take profit policy. 223 for today. What's that? 11 and 211. Okay, that's a good start. Good day. Then let's see here. If this is valid, we can always find an entry if it keeps breaking going down. That means we know that okay, it leaves this sideway area. But this is the support level. Now is break. Mm, is break. Uh, we'll see. Now it's not a good time to re-enter because if I re-enter here, where's my stop loss? If I go long here, then I know that my stop loss is somewhere here. It makes sense. I can exit if it arrives here. But if I go, oh damn, delete all notification, something. What are you doing? With such a strong momentum, it's not good to go long. Although I know that it's far away from ENA9. It's far away from ENA9, but it's not good to go long. See, the seller remain control of the market. But after the end of this one, maybe I can set a short order because this candle defies the upper bound of this short chain. Once I take profit here, then this trend is ending to me. I think I enter into a trade somewhere here. I take so much before contract. So we'll see. We gonna wait for another consolidation and capture the trade that capture the heuristic. They gonna keep going down because for ES these days is going down all the time. But for NQ, oh, it's in the middle. If you're going down, the but strong support is somewhere here, going out somewhere. So it's something it breaks down. With that being said, it can still go down. Yeah, it can still go down, but you just hesitate. This is strong momentum and meet some resistance. See, we are waiting for the completion. 3 more minutes. This one I need to switch back. 5 minutes, 3 minutes to see. Okay, retest. Then we'll see where you're gonna retest. It leaves this sideway. So probably retest here, or maybe retest to trend line here. We'll see. If it tests to here, then the ES is mapping here. If it retest to trend line here, then ES mapping to here. Oh, oh. Huge momentum. Maybe I should not trade allow this huge news something. Going short. This is very risky. So my this is could be a liquidity squeeze, and it goes up. No. Ah, god damn! I got chat. It shows a great momentum going down. Hello. Nobody gonna go down. Where are sellers? Oh, I should set the limit order somewhere here. I know this is the upper defined by this candle. Oh, I got trapped by the fake momentum. It's like liquidity speed. It keeps going up. Excuse me. Yeah, this makes sense. This one defines the upper bound. I should set the limit order somewhere here. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. This is just first minute. Let's see. If it keeps going up, then I probably need to quit. I need to exit the leave trade situation, which is at a complementary limit short order somewhere here. 1 minute. So short trend in front of us, I think. Okay, catches yen and I. Yen and I will catch up. Oh, that's rejected. So this is another previous resistance and later support. This is a verified support level. Not gonna get greedy. Oh, we can push back. Seriously. Hmm. Oh, this is not good. Strong rejection here. Buyers are strong defense, but sellers just retest yen and nine. Yen and nine effectively push down something, which creates a lower low. So overall, it's still downtrend. Hmm. Oh no, too strong rejection here. That's not good. Even on 5 minute in 5 minute chart. Okay, there are 2 more minutes. See if you push back again. So probably I will move it to here. Gets rejected. Not greedy, just move it here. Okay. Sideway. Not sure who gonna be. If you keep going up, then I'll need to execute a leave strategy. Buyers are really strong here. It's already get pushed. Breakout is support. level, close underneath here. Okay, sellers review. But this is not lower low. So we'll see this one. ENA9 gonna catch up. One more candle. See if you create a higher high. Maybe the retest starts from here. And the retest gonna be ENA21. Okay, so I will send my complementary order. Let me show that ENA21. Because ENA21, ENA21, and just confirm Dow trend. So the first retest gonna be ENA21, somewhere above here. That's what I guess. But I'm gonna put the first correction order here and see. Oh, if that's the case, that's good. That's a good sign. Let's see how far you can go this time. For ES is already, yeah, show some consolidate. 3 more minutes. ENA9 catches up. ENA9 catches up your retest. So it retest to ENA9, very reasonable retest. Oh, I guess here I need to add a predictor. ENA at 1, 9, create. ENA something 21, create. Oh, ENA9, I want to see. I want to see the ENA9 parameter, ENA9 style. I want to see yellow. Something like this. Okay, for ENA21, I would like to see some light color. Something like this. Apply. Okay, do we have that 3 minutes, 15 minutes? Oh, we have that. Oh, I don't take profit. Why I don't take profit here? Uh, that means for 5 minutes, and it's still not retest to yen 9. Yen 9 is not falling dramatically to catch up your peak point. So there could be some retest, but for yen but for 3 minutes. Exceeds. Oh God. That means buyer's gonna win. Oh, ENI is defending. So this is like a flag pattern. You see? No, out of here is just retest. Need to engulf around here. Oh, I go short at the bottom again. God, Jesus. This is not a good sign. Yeah, I need to add a complementary order somewhere here. Okay, yes, engulf. No. And indicator ENA. Nice style. Create ENA and 21 style likely create and modern. Okay, but I don't get um don't get an I don't get okay. This is RSI. Is there an RSI divergence? A little bit around here. Is breaking out. So overall is going down. Yeah, just be more patient. Again, I'm going short at the bottom. God damn, Jesus. See, yes, cover down, engulfing. NQ is not, is a little bit difficult because the previous candle is too huge. Um, so ES has more an intention to go down. When we go short, I should do ES. I should trade ES. NQ has an intention to go up overall. See this one. Okay, going down. Buyers keep working, and this is looks like a flag pattern, and flag ends. Seems like this way. The flag ends. Okay, yes, breakout. Come on, breakout, please. Showing your momentum going down. Huh. Should be more patience. Wait for a couple more candle. Then I don't know. Okay, this is where ENI catches out, and I'll go short from here. Even I want to go short. A little bit formal, so I lose like $200 profit. And we'll see the behavior around here. If you can break out this weight level. What about yes? Oh, yes shows triangle. Okay, can you break out? This is triangle sideway. Oh no, it gets pushed back. strong bias right here. This is like a flag, and when you break out the flag, if it keeps that way, I'll probably go short out here. And I know you just retest to somewhere between ENA 9 and 21. Sellers are strong as well. 5 minute. So the previous 5 minute for ES is engulfing all the flag range. This is new candle. See if it fights back. If it continues to go down, that means downtrend resumes. Let's see. Unless you break this trend line, yes, I will not trust the downtrend resumes. Still apply cautious. But it looks like, yeah, it break this trend line. Okay, keep going then. Waiting for you here. So I'll probably set a trading stop loss somewhere here after you leave far away. Mm. Oh, still some resistance. Mm. Oh, it keeps sideways. Now the trailing stop loss is about something I cannot set. I need to wait for the next candle. Make sure it leaves far away from my entry. If my entry is too close, if my entry is here, then I can set a trailing stop loss here for now. God. But now it seems the yen and I is catching up. If you close underneath, the yen and I will catch up with your peak point here. Mm. Yes. Let me see. You break out the resistance. This is a trend line. Triangle. Mm-hmm. Mm. What's going on? Maybe I should leave this sideway. There. This is my complementary. XCQS raise the average entry price and wait for the retest, and then I'm out. a little bit above. Uh, Maybe I should put it here. Yeah, the previous support, and now it should become a new resistance. Hmm. Okay, ES is at ENA 9 and anchor is in ENA 21. Okay, a new candle. So maybe it's ending here. Both ES and anchor get rejected somewhere around here. But buyers still push up. So no conclusion at this time. Okay, ENI is a very strong defense. Still like flag pattern. Then this can be treated as a liquidity swing. Oh, you want to fight back? Well, what about yes? Yes, cover is still sideway. So this should be a trend channel. Going on trend channel. But yes, for years. Okay, this is gonna be the trend. Up, up, down, up, down. So I probably would need to avoid this. But this strong rejection is, but there are there are two like downward rejection. Here ENA 21 shows a strong rejection. Not sure if the trend channel gonna continue. Oh, it looks like yes. See this ENA 5 minute, it already retest. It already retest ENA 9. ENA 9 catches up, so it should continue to move down. It just consolidate, wait for ENA 9. Consolidate, wait for ENA 9, which makes sense, I understand. But now ENA 9 catches up, so keep going down. Keep going down. One more minute. See how you behave. Hmm. I just enter into a trade too fast, so this entry price is not good. That means I suffer from all this drop down. And I'm challenging my mental. I should wait a little bit and enter somewhere around here. Then I will not be challenged and stick to my rule and only trade when you retest back between ENA 9 and ENA 921. Then I will not be challenged so much. All this drop down status and wait time period just consumes my mental bandwidth. That means in later trade, I cannot wait for so much, wait for so long. Or does not stick. Oh, it looks like this trend channel is still effective. This time it's gonna be a little bit above. Yeah, this trend, the upper bar of the trend line. The channel gonna continue. One, two, three. Well, I'm not sure how long it's gonna continue. See, it's gonna continue. And this is a side, this is parallel sideway, so you can continue endlessly. You can even bounce back. This is the first mini, and the upward momentum is so strong. Mm. Mm. But wait a minute, is reach the ES reach the same level, but NQ a little bit far behind the previous one. That means the upward momentum is decreasing. See, yes, reach something, and previously it should arrive somewhere here. It should arrive somewhere here, but NQ this time does not have so strong power. So maybe it's time to go somewhere around here. The buyer momentum keeps decreasing on NQ. That's what I observe. And previous is top half, now it's second half. We use the price level to check. Okay, it generally aligns this leg. 5 minute. Push up. Oh my God, I just trade this sideway that I can 200, 200, 200, 200 and reach my daily goal. It break out and it stops sideway. Oh, it triggers and it becomes A. And we need to move to somewhere around here. Oh, it me. I'll probably add one more here. We'll see. But okay, it shows strong momentum. It leaves the sideway, so maybe it's time to go. Oh my God, why is suddenly something gradually breakout? No gradual breakout. Oh, keeps moving, keeps moving. Even triggers my liquidation, but it's going upward obviously after sideway, then the buyers win. Let's see this one, yes. Oh, yes, already shows some rejection. Okay, great. At this time, we would like to leave the trade whenever it's possible. But we'll see, yes. Here, yes, keep going up. Incurs obviously moving up. That's not good. One trade gonna blow my account if I keeps adding position like this. Suddenly strong momentum, something like this. Okay. Finally, seller step in. Let's see. No, this is not even a retest. Oh, oh, it close about this line. Actually, something happened like this. Let's see. Gonna get rejected somewhere here. So our entry price get here. If that's the case, then it will probably like back to the order block. No, order block is somewhere here. But it keeps going on. No. Oh, this is a trend line. See if it breaks trend line. Breaks trend line. Let's see when it gets rejected. Breaks trend line. What's the structure? Down here and foaming. Okay. Okay, it gets rejected. Finally. Oh no, you reduce. This end up to be a green bullish candle, and that's not good. And I'll probably need to leave the trade. I think they're gonna get rejected because it retest to the trend line. I will see. But I cannot add position. To add position, we'll grab the liquidity line more close and more dangerous. So I can only grab my entry price here and hopefully it will retest here. Hopefully this is some seller defense. Oh, it jump a little bit to here. 5 minutes. It keeps going up. Momentum is not decreasing. Okay, it keeps getting rejected at trend line. Hmm. Okay, it gets rejected at trend line. Oh, and for yes, it's somewhere around here. Previous support becomes now resistance. That's fair. That's fair. Oh, it keeps going up. Yes, keeps going up. Come on. Oh, it keeps going up. Not again rejected. Just go straight to the moon. I'm gonna blow my account. Oh, I just trying to leave the trade and get impacted by the strong momentum. How soon? There is sudden. There is a sudden. Yeah, there is a sudden momentum. Then I don't quit the trade. I should quit the trade. After it breaks out something like this. But I'm not sure if its liquidity is being enforced back because we have this story. The market fooled me with this story. I say, okay, seller gonna defend here, even go here, here. Okay, maybe after here I should not like add the position. I should just quit. But I don't know. Even with such a structure, it looks like it has break out this level and consolidate underneath, and it does not go down. And the thing is, I go short at the bottom, so I don't um yeah, I don't if I go short at the upper bound, then probably somewhere in the middle, then I will set, for example, something here. If I go short here, I can set a trading stop loss here. So even it bounce back, I will not get kicked out. But this one definitely kills me. And during this sideway, nobody knows it's gonna break out. But when you break out, everybody say, okay, it's fake because this is something. But suddenly something like this happens. And when it ends, it's right here. So nobody knows, okay, the retest is gonna start. And something like this happens. Okay. This is so much for today. I blow one more account. And we'll see a little bit if we're gonna start rejecting resume like Dow trend somewhere around here by this trend line. In that way, that can be a reference, but ES is still far away from the bigger time frame trend line, where NQ has already arrived here. So so next time, even I add a complementary order, then I should put it here, right? This is too far away. Who can think of? I was think of, okay, you're gonna start a test somewhere here. Or you're gonna start a test, okay, somewhere here. So this is one, this is two. Yeah, I think that makes more sense. I'll see. Maybe it just consolidate and keeps going on. Hmm. In any way, retail traders should not probably trade this huge volatility, sudden huge volatility. Yeah, it's just that I, yeah, I go short at the bottom. That makes me has less fewer with bias, with direction bias, and less space to operate. See, it keeps breaking out to the outside without deep retest. So the complementary order to adjust the average price does not work in such like go straight market. So in such market, we just need to quit without any risk aversion. We just need to quit. Well, we just hope this is rare situation. What's going on? Why it suddenly start to rise and rise to here? So this is still a sideway market up to here. Oh. It never it never retests. So even I miss this one, I will wait for the retest to enter, but no way. For this one, I just cannot handle it. But this time I get blown by it. So what I can do is just prevent to get blown by such market. And the thing is that it just trying to see, okay, this is a valid defense. So lure me to lower down something. So my average price is somewhere here around here. So this is actually my last opportunity to get to leave the trade, but this is sideways. Out of here, I still think it's downtrend continue. So I did not realize that this is uptrend. So the room is I just need to leave this sideways market next time. Whenever there's an opportunity, just leave the sideways market. Yeah, that's all the lessons I learned for today. Blow one more account. Oops, it looks like this resistance is effective and push back strong. While um this market this situation is very strong. So buyers are strong, buyers momentum are strong at this time. So I'm not sure. Hmm. So even a consolidate, a close underneath this verify something. So when it's sideways, as long as it enter into a sideway, then anything can happen. Anything can happen. And even it's a upward flag pattern, that does not necessarily mean that this is a continuation pattern. It it could be the flag pattern, could be the reversal. So still we need to check, but it's a little bit difficult to check the breakout in this way because it could be the fake breakout. So in this way, if you even you go to here, then it's still alive with trend line. You still will not treat it as a breakout. Even trade it here, okay, maybe some peak point. We'll see something. And when you arrive here, okay, this is too late. I'm not gonna wait for retest, and there's no retest. Oh, some resistance here. but it already outbound the trend line. So I'm not sure if you just simple retest here and keep going up, or it continue the sideway. Or it just keep going up. Because all this looks like consolidation. This is like stretch. And this trading volume is big as this one, but it gets some resistance. This trading volume too big, but still like something. So we see a big momentum here, but quickly get rejected. Okay, have something else to do. So much for the day. Thank you very much. Blow account. Oh, I'm so sad.